Hey, what's up, Ron? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that can help you get some higher rankings and help you bring in more traffic and more customers from your online presence. First thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Everything that you see, Google sees as well. All these images, they all have content behind it, and I think you had like download one. Um, it's taking a minute. You got contact back there. I think another image, you had download one in it. But switch out those images. That's just going to help with your rankings. And if you notice a lot of these websites on that first page that actually brings in a decent amount of traffic, you're going to notice their content is about 2,000 words. That way you can actually layer in those keywords. And those keywords are what people are actually searching for. Like here's a keyword here, hydroseeding Southern California, right inside of Google. You put that inside there. You're going to get this little maps section here at the very top. Bunch of companies trying to get to the very top, even multiple pages. Oh, that one only had one page. But to get to the very top, you're going to be dealing with these online directories called citations. So we just want to fill those out. Make sure we have your name, business name, address, phone number listed in all those directories. And we'd want to go get those same directories from your top competitors. Then after we get those, we want to go out and outrank them. So I would do 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations here. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to stick you right here in the very top for all that work that you did in this listing. Underneath this map section, we have that organic traffic that lands right here on that first page of Google. And I did notice that you did have a couple keywords here on that first page, maybe as another keyword, but to be found right here on that first page really comes down to having all that content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to those backlinks. Those backlinks are just links from other websites linking right back to yours, just really pushing power so you can get on that first page, which not all backlinks are created equal. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. I'm going to do a quick overview. So 73 referring domains, pushing back 862 backlinks. Historically, you've had over almost 2,000 right there. And URDR, you can actually see you can push some more quality backlinks, which is going to drive more traffic here. But you got 83 clicks to your site coming from 67 keywords. Here's those keywords, what people are actually searching for, your position, and also the amount of traffic that's coming in from that total volume. So like Hydroseed San Diego, there's 50 searches a month. 6th position, you only got a couple clicks there, so you could definitely target that keyword. Let's see, hydroseeding contractors near me, there's 60 searches there. Hydroseed San Diego, hydroseeding San Diego, hydroseeding companies near me, hydroseeding Southern California. So just coming in, oh, here we go. Here's some more specific ones. Hydroseeding Riverside, CA, hydroseeding Los Angeles. So just coming in, finding these different keywords, but also we got to do those backlinks so we can actually drive that traffic coming in too. But anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Take care, Ron.